Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Going to make a quick video going over the two trades I had today, any lessons, and just a daily review. It was a bit of a slower day. There were some few opportunities here and there, a few, not some few. So let's jump with OST. This was late day. Not really a huge fan of this because of just the way it's moving, just really choppy. Was recognizing it earlier as a multi-day bounce. We got this huge run up on this IPO, ends up falling hard. Now we're just bouncing, has some resistance here around in the mid fours, and it just failed to break down really. And then it came back, broke the mid fours, and led to a nice move to five pretty much, 495. But very choppy, so I stayed away. But we're looking at this on the live stream late day. Very nice move there. Um, we got my trade of the day, BWV. Solid uptrend, high daybreak, VWAP hold pattern, and not much resistance. I was looking until 6-ish. We have some more in the mid sevens. And then here we are, just failed to break down. I thought I missed the entry as it took off here, breaking five, but it pulled back, failed to break down, confirmed that area, kept holding, low market cap, low float, doing great volume, uptrending. Everything's lining up for this, and we got the push to six that I had wanted, 525 to 615. Solid entry there and exit. Left a little bit on the table. Trend was still intact, but what are you gonna do? You just gotta lock in your quick gains and move on. And I had a little loss, which ended up, being pointless. It was a chase. It was an emotional trade. I totally regret trading this. It was SNOA here, low float, low market cap, garbage history, gapping up, shorts are packing it. I was just looking for a failure to break down and see if that could cause a short squeeze. If it held open price and VWAP after a failure to break down, and chased it on my starter at 200 shares. Ended up stopping out at 369. Just didn't like the trend or the heavy selling that was going on. So I thought if it's going to hold up and be a good play, I'll rebuy it. But right now, pointless just holding these 200 shares for nothing. So $64 loss there. About a little over 300 on BWV. Not bad of a day. Just taking quick singles. Another day that's green, adding up. Just taking quick gains, letting them compound over time. Besides that, that was really kind of it today, for being honest. Just a slower day, RDBX and a couple other plays waiting for them to set up. But besides that, was just taking quick gains, not being greedy. Um, what else? Just following the trend, being patient. That was really kind of it today. Um, Besides the emotional trade, I thought I did really well with this, executing it really nicely, waiting for that confirmation and seeing the trend hold. Um, doesn't get better than that. Everything was lined up, like I just said, market cap, float, pattern, resistance. There was some range that you could make money off of, so it's not really tight and going to be choppy and run into resistance really soon. There was some range it could move with. So yeah, that was just a phenomenal play there. I'll make another video lesson going over my top watches. CYN, this is going to be one of them probably. Looking for that multi-day bounce. Same thing with RDBX. But on a slower day like today, just important to buy the dip while it's holding a key level, failing to break down, trend is still intact, and sell into resistance levels. And this one had a little bit more to go than I had thought, but I'll never regret selling into a resistance level, taking, what was the percent? I have no idea what the percentage is, but 90 cents on this, very good play. So what else was there? FRGE, this thing is holding up. Didn't have the move I thought it would have here. That's disappointing. Oh, BTTX. I need to go over that. That ended up being a nice call. I took it off my top watches in the morning when I saw the fat gap down, but early on saw that it was having a hard time really breaking down and starting to curl back. So at that point, I was really looking for a previous high daybreak and red to green move. They're lined up together, 201 and 205 for the previous high day. And I thought we could possibly get a move to 3. I'd, of course, if you're buying it at 2 and it's in the mid 2s, take your 20 something percent, lock in your gains. There's no need to see if it's going to get to 3. And that's really the lesson there. Just take your quick snipes. That's what I've been saying. And here it is again. Volume gets exhausted. Selling really comes through. Gets very choppy here after a nice clean move, showing some indecision. So good call. Didn't run as much as I thought it would, but makes sense that it's topping out in the mid 2s, right around 250. So if you're spitting at 20%, 15%, I don't know what to tell you. Honestly, you just got to take your quick gains and let them add up. Besides that, HCDI, this ended up becoming a failure of a breakout. We had a nice move here after hours on it. It was a nice move intraday yesterday too, but we have this range right around high 3s, low 4s. I went over this in the watch list, that video lesson yesterday, and was just waiting for a 4 break. If you could confirm that area, I thought we could get a nice move to around 5. Just did not shape up. A lot of selling, weighed it down, not enough buying, higher or lower high here, just a downtrend and failure. So that is that. But yeah, so that's pretty much a day. Some things just fading and not doing much, but still, even in a choppy market, in a weaker day here, there's still an opportunity. Grateful for follow a subscriber to on YouTube here. Nikki really bring the BWV ticker to attention. We're chatting it up, brought it up to attention. How is it setting up? Asking that question. I'm like, I didn't even see this ticker. Let me check it out. Ended up being the play I made everything back on and more. So it was really cool to see that. Didn't even see it on my scanner. I wasn't even looking up the market really. Was just saw the alert from YouTube and ended up being able to make money off of it. But if you go back to actually, where is it? 1 second. What video? It is this video here. The top plays from yesterday. There's a whole entire conversation there. You'll see it. I map out the play beforehand in that conversation, what I'm aiming for, what I'm looking for to hold. Let's see if this could hurry up. Okay, chop chop. Let's go, let's go. Whatever. But yeah, if you want to go through, just see what I was thinking beforehand. It's really what I was just saying now. But pretty cool to see how just out of a conversation, I found a ticker that was a perfect setup, one of my patterns, and ended up making money on it. So we'll just wrap it up there. Hope everyone had a great day. Check us out on Twitter at Pack a Punch Traders. I'll post another video lesson going over the daily watch list tonight, and I'll post the watch list on there as well. So check us out on there if you want to chat it up or check out our live trading on live or on tradecaster.com. Go there and check that out. Low cost live stream. We're on there every day, chatting it up, hanging out, talking, going over live trades, any lessons. So check us out there. Besides that, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel here. Hope you have a great day.